Hello everyone, welcome to TV Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: embolden, E-M-B-O-L-D-E-N. Exterminate, E-X-T-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-E. Embolden, encourage or to impart boldness or courage. Synonyms: hearten, strengthen, cheer, inspire, bear up, buck up, energize. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: discourage, daunt, dispirit, dishearten, dissuade, depress. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: emboldened by her first success, she tried an even more difficult climb. Exterminate, destroy completely. Synonyms: kill, eliminate, put an end to, abolish, massacre, slaughter, destruction, annihilate, wipe out. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: build, bear, help, ratify, create. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: millions of Jewish people were exterminated in the Second World War. Circumspect, C-I-R-C-U-M-S-P-E-C-T. Consummate, C-O-N-S-U-M-M-A-T-E. Circumspect, cautious or careful, not to take risks. Synonyms: careful, alert, cautious, waxy, considerate, guarded, safe, prudent, chary, conservative. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: careless, unguarded, heedless, incautious, unsafe, unmindful, unwaxy. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the officials were very circumspect in their statements. Consummate, perfect or complete in every way. Synonyms: exemplary, supreme, adept, accomplished, expert, educated, experienced, proficient, skilled. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: imperfect, amateur, inexpert, unprofessional, unskilled, inexperienced. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she dressed with consummate elegance. For, F-A-U-X. Quagmire, Q-U-A-G-M-I-R-E. For, fake or not genuine, artificial or imitation, not real but made to look or seem real. Synonyms: fake, bogus, dummy, mock, mimic, pretend, unreal, false, fabricated, ersatz, counterfeit. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: authentic, genuine, real, natural, sincere, substantial. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: this fur handbag is so cute. Quagmire, an awkward, complex or hazardous situation, or an area of soft wet ground that you sink into if you try to walk on it. Synonyms: dilemma, entanglement, marsh, swamp, plight, predicament. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: agreement, solution, advantage, benefit, blessing, boon, success. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: it is a political and legal quagmire, so nobody will go near it. Vice, V-I-C-E. Opposite, A-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Vice, immoral or wicked behavior used as a part of the rank or title of particular position. Example: vice president. Synonyms: wrongdoing, debasement, sin, iniquity, profligacy, libertinage. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: morality, virtue, chastity, honor, modesty, decency, kindness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: drinking in excess is a vice that could lead to addictive behavior. Opposite, appropriate or suitable and right for the occasion. Synonyms: pertinent, applicable, suitable, timely, relevant, relative, apropos. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: inappropriate, extraneous, immaterial, pointless, irrelevant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: her remarks are extremely opposite to the present discussion. Preeminent, Preeminent. Cavil, Cavil. Preeminent, distinguished or more important or powerful than all others. Synonyms: ultimate, dominant, outstanding, foremost, supreme, sovereign, principal. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unimportant, insignificant, inferior, least, subordinate, secondary, low. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a preeminent scientist. Cavil, an unreasonable complaint, especially about something trivial. Hope you remember this word trivial, which means not important or worthless. Synonyms: quibble, complain, fuss, niggle, nitpick, squeal, whine. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: accept, agree, approve, applaud, endorse, compliment, praise. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: this is not the time to cavil about petty details. Cohort, Cohort. Lackadaisical, Lackadaisical. Cohort, a group of people with a shared characteristic or companion. Synonyms: unit, force, companion, mate, comrade, partner, ally, aid, assistant, supporter. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: division, disunity, enemy, foe, opponent, antagonist, adversary. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the police arrested the gang's leader and his cohorts. Lackadaisical, lacking determination and enthusiasm or careless, lazy. Synonyms: half-hearted, uninterested, languid, enervated, spiritless, lethargic, idle, unconcerned, indolent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: enthusiastic, excited, animated, lively, active, energetic, motivated. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the food was nice enough, but the service was somewhat lackadaisical. Clout, Clout. Flaccid, Flaccid. Clout, to hit someone or something hard, or power or influence over people or events. Synonyms: power, dominance, bank, credit, hammer, pound, prestige, weight. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: powerlessness, incompetence, weakness, helplessness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: ministers often use their clout to get what they want. Another example can be given: he clouted him on the back of his head. Flaccid, soft or weak rather than firm, or nerveless. Synonyms: enfeebled, debilitated, droopy, floppy, lacking force, emasculated. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: taut, firm, tense, resilient, rigid, sturdy, stiff. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the doctor informed Rita that her left hand was light and flaccid when compared to her right hand. Inveigle, Inveigle. Doleful, Doleful. Inveigle, persuade someone to do something by means of deception or flattery. Synonyms: attract, lure, entice, tempt, alluring, provocate, betraying. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: repulsive, repellent, disenchant, alerting, cautioning, warning. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, she inveigled him to write a letter. Doleful, mournful or very sad. Synonyms, woeful, sorrowful, gloomy, full of grief, pitiful, dejected, heartbroken, wailing. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, elated, cheerful, gleeful, happy, joyful, glad. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Reema had a doleful look on her face. Bleary, B-L-E-A-R-Y. Genuflect, G-E-N-U-F-L-E-C-T. Bleary, blurred of eyes or very tired or poorly outlined. Synonyms, dim, dull, burned out, drained, exhausted, fatigued, murky, cloudy, unclear. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, bright, clear, unweird, coherent, distinct, clear-headed, focus. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, after studying all night, Sweta's eyes were bleary. Genuflect, to bend one knee or touch one knee to the floor as a sign of worship or respect. Synonyms, bow, kneel, curtsy, scrape, truckle, kowtow, scratch up, toady. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, disrespect, disregard, disobey, overrule, shun, cease, dilute. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, usually faithful people genuflect before Almighty. Gratis, G-R-A-T-I-S. Contrition, C-O-N-T-R-I-T-I-O-N. Gratis, without charge or payments, free. Synonyms, costless, free, gratuitous, unsalaried, free of charge, as a gift, chargeless, complimentary, free ride. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, costly, expensive, high-priced, solicited, for sale, priced. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Sonu offered his services gratis to those in need. Contrition, a very sorry or guilty feeling about something bad you have done. Synonyms, regret, shame, guilt, penitence, rue, self-reproach, humiliation, penance, sorrow, compunction. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, complacency, impenitence, stubbornness, approval, comfort, hardness, content. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Ranjit feels no contrition for what he did. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.